Well, welcome to session 4 of our conference, which is about celebrating botanic gardens, past, present, and future. And this section is going to focus on conservation. We're going to hear from 4 continents, so brace yourself over the next couple of hours. And I think probably, given that it's a Friday evening in Europe and in Africa, that a glass of wine is permissible. This is one of the joys of Zoom, so please do help yourself to that. If you're in Asia, maybe a cup of cocoa with something stronger in it. If you're joining us from the Americas, then I'm afraid it needs to be lemonade. It's much too early for anything alcoholic. So please sit back and enjoy what's coming next. We'll have a question and answer session as usual at the end of this, about an hour and a half's time. Please use the Q&A function if you've got questions, and also join the conversation on Twitter using the hashtag OBGA Talks, which I think is in the chat here. Good. Well, my first task is to introduce myself, which is a little bit embarrassing. Normally, I get my mother to do that and to write my biographies, but as she's not here, I'm going to do it myself and keep it very brief. My name is Paul Smith. I am the Secretary General and CEO of Botanic Gardens Conservation International.